In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections into a group. If your notebook is starting to feel cluttered and you want a cleaner structure, placing related sections inside a group is a quick way to bring order to your navigation. A section is where your pages live, and a section group acts like a folder that holds multiple sections together. The move itself is a simple drag and drop, but getting the feel right makes it effortless every time. First, identify the section you want to move. You'll find section tabs in your navigation area, often across the top or along the side of your notebook interface, depending on your layout. Then locate the target section group in your notebook list. The notebook list is the sidebar that shows your notebooks, section groups, and sections in a structured tree. It's typically on the left and displays group names just like regular sections, but they behave as containers. Now for the move. Click and hold the section tab you want to move. Don't just click, press and hold so the app knows you're preparing to drag. While still holding, drag that section over the name of the section group in the notebook list. As you hover over the group name, watch for visual cues that you're in the right spot. Many apps highlight the group name, show a subtle line, or display a tooltip indicating the section will be moved into that group. Those cues are your green light. When you see the highlight or confirmation cue, release the mouse or trackpad. That drop places the section inside the group. You should now see your section listed within that group's contents. If your app shows nested items immediately, it will appear right away beneath the group. If the group looks condensed, don't worry. That simply means the section is inside even if you're not seeing a long list. A few quick tips for smooth dragging. Aim directly for the group name as your drop target. Hovering too high or too low may attempt to reorder sections instead of nesting them. If you're using a trackpad, keep gentle, steady pressure while you drag to avoid unintentional taps. If nothing happens when you release, try again and wait for the highlight to appear before you let go. And remember, you're moving a section, not a page, so be sure you're grabbing the section tab itself. That's it. Click, hold, drag onto the group name, and